Hey guys, Francis11 here. Welcome back to another video. And today in this video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to get MLG voice, or just like YouTuber Pink Sheep. Shout out to him, his voice, or other people's voices. So let's just get into the video. Okay, so you're gonna need this app called Voice Narrator Voice to the Narrator. Okay, so you're gonna click on this little symbol. I got the A and the Japanese thing. Now you can go to whichever one you want. I like the MLG voice, Daniel. And yeah, so press back. You're gonna look. Okay, so you're gonna press memes never end, and then I'm just gonna type in welcome back. I'm fearsome. Save 11. Okay. Click on that button. Wait. Okay. Let me take out my headphones, guys, so you can have a listen.
Welcome back, I'm Fearsome Save 11.
See, it works totally, and it's very good. That's what I used in my last video for Dynamic Guy 101. He's a hater, dislike him. We all hate him. Fearsome Save 11 clan. So MLGGGG. Okay.
MLGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGG
Okay, now I'm gonna try a different voice. We are gonna try this person. No, gonna try this person. Let's see. Once you change something, it takes a while for it to load.
MLGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGFG MLG.
Yeah, my favorite one is, oh yeah, Pig Sheep. Shout out to him, he's a great YouTuber.
MLGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGGFG.
Okay, yeah. So, yeah. I'm just gonna go back up to the MLG base. Okay, that'll be about it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all guys later. Okay, that's a side outro because that just ad ruined it. You guys, I'll see you later. I'm FearSaver11 and bye. Peace out.